2011年9月、ノースカロライナ州、ウィルミントンに住む、65歳の男性、デイビス・レイベルトンさんが、誤って、妻の頭を銃で撃ってしまったと、通報をしました。酔っ払った様子の彼は、事故は1日前の夜に起きたことを伝えますが、どのような経緯で撃ってしまったのか、詳しい説明をできませんでした。
New Hanover County 911.
I think I'll use emergency, but the EMS people probably involved. I will report death.
Do you need a rescue unit?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you need an officer?
I need, well, really, I guess I need both, because wife accidentally got shot.
What?
Dead.
Who's dead?
My wife.
She's dead?
Yeah, I'm certain of it.
Is she in the house with you?
I'm looking at her right now.
I'm sorry?
I'm looking at her right now.
You looking at her?
Yes.
Okay, what lot do you live in?
What?
Where do you live, sir?
219 South Carr Avenue.
Okay, and you said is your wife
5.
is your wife breathing?
No.
She's not breathing?
No, she works for the Department of Corrections, and she's had trouble. She hates guns. She had trouble qualifying with a pistol, and she brought home a 40 caliber. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'll explain it to officers when they use.
Okay, where's your wife at right now?
She's sitting there in a recliner, dead as a rock.
Is she awake?
No, ma'am.
Okay, did she shoot herself?
No, I accidentally shot her.
You accidentally shot her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and she's dead? How old is your wife? Hello? Hello?
What did you ask me?
I said, how old is your wife? Oh, my God. Sir?
50 something, I don't know.
Okay, and you said where you shoot her at?
It was
where did you shoot her? Where did you shoot her at?
Apparently I shot her in the back of her head.
In the back of her head?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when did you do this? When did you do this, sir?
Last night.
Last night, and you just now calling us?
Yes, ma'am. I'm diabetic and I'm supposed to stay away from alcohol, but I went and bought me a big old jug of brandy. Anyway, we were looking at the merits of that 40 caliber stuff
and that's what you had, a 40 caliber?
She was showing me what?
She's fine.
She's going on vacation next week, and we're going to Sue's Choice to do that, and like that.
Thank you for calling us.
And this 40 caliber has nothing for safety but your finger on the trigger. And anyway, we were talking about shot my 45 caliber Colt.
Hey, George.
And she knows in her farm, but she had a 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. no safety. I said, this thing's dangerous. And but anyway, I said, well, this, at least,
All right.
Look, it is.
I got somebody en route, okay? And you got any cars? You got any cars in your in front of your lot? What kind of car you drive, sir? Hello? Hello?
The car driver is
What is it? This is like the last
wife's
name.
name for insurance purposes.
He has numerous guns. Sir, where's the gun at now? Is it on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't touched it. The thing went off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay, why did you call?
are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Her hair blew up.
Uh-huh.
The back of her hair. I said, are you okay? She said, yeah. And
So you went to bed then?
so I put some down. I said, damn, I was trying to tell you how safe this thing is. And they said, well, it is safe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm drinking brandy. But, this is the best. This lady's the best thing I've ever had for this old boy's life.
Sir, do you have any children in the house?
Well, yes, we have 2 kids.
Are they in the house with you now?
Yes. And
Okay.
I'll arrange for somebody to come and take care of them.
How old are the kids?
Because I just got a bad feeling he was going to talk to me for a while. But be that as it may, they're our children, they're our girls.
I'm getting upset now. Sir, and where are the children at right now?
Our children are 2 kids.
Okay, are they home now?
Yes.
Okay, where are they? Where are they? In the bedroom? Where are the kids at?
She's in the living room.
How old are they?
Are they have a breathing problem, chest pain, fever?
Yeah, somebody
Okay,
got to knock my door down.
Okay, that's the officer, sir. Go open the door.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh, bye-bye.
It's the worst day of my life.
Okay, go let the officers in, okay?
裁判で弁護側は、次のように主張しました。事件の夜、男性は奥さんに銃の使い方を教えようとしたが、酔っ払っていた上に、筋弛緩剤を飲んでいたため、手が滑って、誤って発砲してしまった。奥さんを撃ったことには気づかなかったが、奥さんの髪が衝撃で動くのを見たため、大丈夫かと尋ねたところ、大丈夫だと返事をした。だから、その日は間もなく眠りについたが、次の日、奥さんの様子を見たところ亡くなっていた。通報が遅れたのはそのためだ。しかし検察側は、奥さんの撃たれた箇所から判断して、奥さんは即死しており、返事をすることはできなかったはずだ。そして、奥さんを撃ったことに気づいていたが、パニックになり、通報が遅れたのだと主張しました。はじめは第一級殺人罪で起訴されていたのですが、司法取引の結果、2012年にデイビスさんは過失致死の罪で懲役5年から6年の刑を言い渡されました。